Get a feel for the 2019 Chevrolet Trax. With less than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The Trax delivers the functionality of a compact SUV, technology that keeps you connected and safe, flexible cargo space, efficiency, and a sense of fun. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, keyless start, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, intermittent wipers, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. See how much fun it can be to drive a car that's designed with your urban lifestyle in mind. Take the Trax out for a spin.